Just about every real estate agent will promise to sell your home, but I guarantee it. Hi, I'm Nasira Jamal, and I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I will buy it myself, and that's a guarantee in writing. Because my team and I sell more homes than the average agent in Peel Region, I can do more to sell your home. Our clients' homes sell on average for 3.24% more money, and they sell twice as fast compared to selling with your typical real estate agent. That means you net more money in your pocket when you choose to work with us. My team and I are in the top 1% of real estate agents in Brampton and Mississauga. Right now, I have 1,395 buyers in my database that are looking for a home. In fact, your home may already be sold. To discuss the sale of your home, call me at 416-627-2216. I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I will buy it myself.